What's happening, Graydon?
Ready to go?
Ready to go, sir. We'll go over here and check up on the VIP. Like Ashley's on the phone too. She's not on the phone. Oh, she's pretending to be on the phone with a fake receiver up. What's happening, Mr. Sam?
Not a whole lot, Bob. How you doing today?
Doing good, doing good. Alrighty, we gotta get out on the road. We're going to a VIP over here in Crofton. So we'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Have a good morning. See you guys. VIP. Felix, how's this VIP going? Good? What, you out there cleaning out papers?
Yeah, under the Christmas lights.
Christmas lights. That's your old controller?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You already got it up and wired. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Gotcha. Yep. Freshen that up. Stops right here, Graydon. See it? On the back side.
Oh, yeah.
Someone ran it up and used the cord and jumped it across. We need to get rid of that. That's dangerous. Hydro wire's going in here. That is nice. Get rid of that old controller someone else put up years ago. That's an old Rainbird. Now they can use it by the phone. We need to straighten up this plumbing too. Can you straighten that plumbing up?
I tried. I check it up to that.
Okay, check it out and see what we can do, okay? Yeah, we didn't put the system in, but we want to clean it up. You know?
Leave it better?
Always leave things better than we found it. Edwin, how are you, sir? Doing good? Hey, you.
Hi.
How are you?
You remember the 6-inch, the corrugated?
For the PVC, let's connect over
He
there.
wants us to come back.
Yeah. Huh?
He doesn't like it. He
No?
saw the duct tape. He said, I don't want duct tape. What do you just need a couple couplings?
Only one couple. I need more. One more.
Just one more coupling? Okay.
Yes.
I'll get that ordered from Home Depot's website because they didn't have anything.
Yeah,
so.
I don't know how not.
Okay.
What else we got going on here? Any more leaks back here?
Pretty sure it's just one leak in zone 5.
That's where they're at now?
That was on the paper. Yep.
All right, so we got sprays over here to take care of. Sprays out here in a curb box. All right, so we got the VIP going here, get the controller up. You haven't had the chance to put the new rain sensor up yet, right?
Not yet. Yeah.
Not yet?
Yeah, I need to put the power for the set in the rain sensor too.
Yeah, yeah, to lock it on,
Yeah.
at least for the first time. Then it'll pick it up afterwards. Okay. All right, so this is a system originally we did not put in, but we got called to do a VIP lawn sprinkler update here, didn't we, sir?
Yep.
So we're getting that all done today. This system will have all brand new sprinkler heads, brand new controller, Wi-Fi enabled, wireless rain sensor. Everything will be new here. These folks will be good to go for many more years with their outdoor water needs. All right, we gotta go to another job site.
If we don't get run over.
Yeah, if we don't get run over there by that Mercedes, we gotta go to another job site. And that job site, we're installing outdoor lighting path lights for a customer.
23 copper path lights.
We're gonna get them installed next, so come along with us. We're installing path lights. Final touches on this job that we're doing for Walnut Hill Landscaping. We're doing, we have done, I should say, all the lawn sprinkler system. We replaced all the existing with new. So we did a complete upgrade, everything new here. And now we're finishing up on the path lights. We installed the up lights the other day. Path lights were special ordered, and now we're installing them. We're gonna wrap up this job today. Come along with us. Guys, installed these new up lights on this tree. Out here in this bed, some old path lights that are going to be abandoned and removed today. This bed is going to be back into sod, be all lawn area here, straight lawn out here, no bed in here anymore. Let's walk around here, see what's going on. Installing cable here for the path lights. Hey Josh.
Yes, sir.
How are you, sir?
I am doing fantastic today. How you doing?
You're fantastic? Well, that is
Fantastic.
fantastic in its own right. Rudy. How are you, sir? Everything good? These two fellas over here are rocking and rolling. Carino's rocking and rolling. You rocking and rolling too? You got Jersey over here? Jersey in the house? Jersey returned to work today? Jersey, is that you over there, hidden behind the fence?
Yeah, she's coming in.
She's here today.
Yeah, we are sick last week.
Real sick? Yeah, that's not good. It was hot last week. It's supposed to be 100 degrees this Friday. Gonna be hot. Getting that heat coming from Texas and Arizona coming up here.
Yeah.
It's hot down there too.
The fence turned out nice.
Yeah, I was looking at it over the weekend. Really nice.
Yeah. I tried to do it with Karina and it wouldn't stay down.
Better show him. This guy went to college. Can't
Only
put
for a
light bulb.
year.
Yeah.
Well, for
Can I
years.
show you there? Yeah. I'm working on it and we are. Yeah, because we already need to push a little bit.
Better watch we don't put a lot of mud on this driveway.
Yeah, I'm staying in the edge for make sure no go.
Wait, did you have a hard time going into the fixture?
Yeah, the one that was in it was fine, but now I can't get the LED one in.
Oh.
Is there? But we need to stop. Put this one right here, and a little. We need to take.
Oh, so they have to go on the same time.
Yeah,
and
and
get
the
the
same
ears
thing.
lined
You
up
can't
on
see
it.
it.
Yeah, gotcha.
And this one over here. Yeah, this one is the one we need to go there for make sure we already keep it pressure now.
Gotcha.
It's tight.
Yeah, keep it tight.
It's all one piece. That ears got to go through that, through there, and tight. You know what I'm saying?
Dirty booth bastard.
I've been called that and similar names.
It's been called worse too.
Yeah, and that's just this morning. I love those fixtures. Sharp. And then they go patina, turn to green, which is nice, you know. Alrighty, we're gonna head to the next job site. Next job site. See ya. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.